Deadly operations. 3 alleged gunmen killed as police continue to hunt wanted men. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Carrie Simpson. Also this evening, government ready to partner with the opposition on constitutional reform, and infrastructure development continues to boom in Dancehall. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so do stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.